Let's talk about the Sony ZV-E1 and how it can help you become a better content creator.
First thing you need to know, high quality video. This sensor actually borrows from the FX3 and the A7S III. So not only are you going to be able to get great low light, but you could also shoot in a full frame 120 frames a second.
This is still a Sony full frame E-mount, which means you have creative options to use up to 75 Sony lenses that are available.
Now, AI reframing is going to be a new feature on the Sony ZV-E1. Essentially what it does is it ensures that I'm in frame even if the camera is standing still. This kind of feels like a cameraman is actually focusing in on me. However, no one's actually in this frame or in this shot at all. Now, if you're someone who likes to show off your products or just show off the gear that you're going to be using, Product Showcase is going to work really well. What it does is it actually racks the focus from your face to whatever product you're trying to show off. It's pretty easy to use. You just got to put it up in front of here. So that way, if I want to talk about a product and any content that I'm making, I could do it automatically, and it's really easy to do without changing your autofocusing setting. What Sony's doing is borrowing some of the features that you get from some of the cinema cameras and actually compacting it and making it accessible for people that vlog or they're getting into creating content. At the end of the day, having creative options is only going to benefit you. The Sony ZV-1 is one way that you could actually be able to do that.